Good morning, everyone. My alias name is Jay Austin, and right now I'm going to be talking about Pocket Option. What is Pocket Option? Pocket Option is a platform that trades Forex trading, and this term is considered hyper Forex trading. As you can see, this is the chart area, and this particular platform has a live version and also a demo version. For those that are experienced traders, you can use MetaTrader 5. A lot of people use MetaTrader 4, but you can link your MetaTrader 5 account to this to trade with more indicators and have a more professional way of trading. But for this tutorial, I'm going to just be in the demo version. I'm an independent trader. I'm not connected to anyone, no particular group or anything at this present moment. So just to give you a backstory, how I learned how to trade, I was actually viewing TikTok videos and came across a group, I can't remember the name, but they brought up Pocket Option, and they talked about how you can make money in minutes doing hyper Forex trading. So I did my research and looked at a couple more videos, then started going to YouTube and checking out different channels and getting, a more understanding of what this trading platform was all about. And what it's about is that, so when I click here, you can see at the top where you have currency, you have cryptocurrency, you have commodities, you have stock. And so these, right now I'm clicked on currency. So right here you can see all the currencies that can be traded, see? And the beautiful thing I like about this is that whatever trading currency you research and do your technical analysis on it and do your research on what this currency is doing in the trade market world, you can click on the stars and you can actually allow them, like this one, USD JPY, is up here. So any currency that you like to trade or you find that's a good turnaround for as you're paying, you can click on that. Like I just clicked on USD CAD and it appears up here. So these are the different trading platforms you can trade from. Again, currency, cryptocurrency, commodities, and stocks. So let me get out of that. So on this side right here, you can see that it says trade. So when you click on that, you have an option to do quick trading, real time. You have digital trading real time. You have MetaTrader 5 Forex real time. And then at the lower point, you have quick trading demo account. You have digital trading demo account, and you have MetaTrader 5 Forex demo account. For me, I like to trade with the digital account. And the reason why I say is that if you look at this right here, you look at this indication, it shows you a flag and it shows you the beginning is the flag, and this is the flag right here that shows you when the trade is ending. So I like to trade here. So you click on that and it generates the page for you. Now if you notice on here, it shows finances. Finances is where you can deposit, withdraw. It has a history of the trades that you have made. It has cashback and it also has promo. I would suggest when you are starting off, and if just to start with the demo, don't deposit anything yet because you want to understand what you're doing. But if you are ready to get into the trading of this particular platform, then that's where you would go, finances. Now here's your platform, your profile, your trading profile. Your profile is this. So right now you see my name Austin, You see your user ID, you see your balance, you see maximum payout, and this is your profitable chart, how you were doing from the dates that you started. Here's the market where you can click on that. You can click on here, and one thing that's unique about this, and I don't have a clear understanding of this, but it's also where you can collect these gems, and these gems with a minimum deposit and maximum bonus $1,000. So you could purchase these, but I'm not too familiar with this, so I won't go deep into that right there. Another thing they have is achievements. So when you're trading and you start trading, like you get to collect these gems. Again, I'm not clear on what these gems are, what they're for. I don't know if it could be for promotions that they have for this particular platform, but right now I'm at 790, so I'm 10 points short of 800 XP. Again, I don't understand what it's about, so I'm not going to go into detail with that. Another thing that they have a chat platform where you can chat and you can do different things like that. So you could chat. They also have help. Another unique thing that I've noticed with this particular trading platform is that they have a thing on the right over here. So now you look at my cursor, I'm on the right. You have your trades. These are the trades that close and open. So me doing the demo, right here I made $192. I traded $100. So I made $92 off of my trade when the percentage is at 92. So anytime the percentage, whatever the percentage is, if it's 70 and you bet $100, you get $70. So that's how it works. So you want to trade above 70 and above. Anything lower than that, you could still trade it, but to be more profitable, I would say you would need to try to be between 70 and up. Okay. And again, this is right here when you click open. If I was to click and make a trade right now, this would show the open trade that's going on right now. But I'll get into more detail about that later on in this video. So now we have signals. So this right here is just letting you know what the currency is doing at that particular moment. Right, like say for instance, Euro JPY. Right now, they saying that the Euro is going down and JP is down. So this signal lets you know that it's going down. Are they 100% accurate? No. And right here, you can click on that and you can pretty much see what signal is going by, the minutes, the hours, and you can see how the signal works according to the time frame that you set it on. Right now it's set on 1 minute. Another unique thing about this trading platform, they have social trading. So I'm going to click on that. So right now on the demo, these are different users that's on this platform right at this moment that are making money, but they're not making actual money because again it says demo mode. So right now this person has made $1,920 5 minutes ago, and you can see his profile picture, and this person is killing it as far as the demo. And again, practicing on the demo is great because you don't want to put real money into something that you don't understand. So this is how it's working with these people right here. So these are showing the top 100, and all these people are making $1,920, and they made this in 5 minutes. That's someone's paycheck in a week or 2 weeks. So again, this is a great platform for you to make a lot of money. But again, you have to have proper risk management when dealing with this. I still practice with that, so it's very a very aggressive and lucrative platform to make money. But if you don't have discipline and self-control to go in and say, I'm going to maybe do 2 trades, if you're starting off with $1 and you just made 3 trades or 2 trades, you made $2, that's great. But greed will pull you in when you start losing, or greed will pull you in when you start winning. So you've got to have discipline when it comes to trading on this platform, because if you don't, you can blow your whole account. This right here is called express trading. You will have to be going back and forth on the charts to know when to trade in, but this gives you express trading on different things. On the side here, you see the dollar sign, those are currencies. So when you click on that, you see all the currencies that you can trade express trading, meaning that you can do multiple trades at one time. If you think that five are going to sell and five are going to buy, you can click on these back and forth, and this platform will generate those sell and those buys behind the scenes. But if you have those saved at the top here, then you can just click on each one and see what it's doing. But also, when you make a trade, this line that you see here will let you know if you're in profit or out of profit. So that's a beautiful thing too. But I would suggest this would be something that you would trade if you have multiple screens that you're able to see the different pairs that you're trading. That's another word that I forgot to express. So when you look at USD and JPY, these are pairs. So these would be USD and JPY are paired against each other to see which one is going to be a buy and which one is going to be a sell. But again, back to the express. Like again, this is just one of these. This is a part of the platform where you can trade or you can sell or buy different currency pairs at multiple times. They also have a tournament page. I didn't get into that. You could try for free, but I didn't get into that. It's more like they make the trading where it can become more like a game, but you don't want to trade your money like a game. If you're a professional, you could do it, but it's just like, give you a little competition on different traders out there. And then right here, this is pending trade. So again, you can trade placement upon reaching a specific time. So you can actually set up the amount that you want to win, be in profit in, an amount that you want to stop at. So you can set that up. Now buy the assist price. So you can set it, again, you can set your price on which you want to buy. So that's a beautiful thing as well too. Also, let's going back with social trading. If you're in the live mode, you can actually follow someone and actually set up where you can copy their trades. When I mean copy their trades, you can literally set up your account and put in a dollar amount that you would like to trade. And if this person is the top dog, he's a bull or she's a bull and they're killing it. And if you've been observing them and watching them a while and seeing that they've been in profit, you can actually set your account up and follow exactly every trade that person trades automatically. Your computer, your phone can be shut down, and when they're live and you're not live and they're making trades, you will get the same trades that they make. But again, that is very risky, very risky. So you don't want to join in and get involved with that right now. I just clicked on someone's profile that just popped up. So see, this is what I'm saying right here. You can see the person's username. This person is a newbie. Let me see if they started yesterday. They haven't deposited anything, so they're learning. Again, they're learning what this trading platform is all about, and even just learning the ins and outs of how to trade on this platform and how to trade hyperforex. So again, this is the person's name. He's level 3. Watchers, he had 1, and he has collected $1,920 5 minutes ago. So this platform is unique. It's very unique. Now getting out of this and that. Oh, another thing, they have a bot that's set up, it's beta, where if you click this bot, it will take you to Telegram, and you can set up in Telegram to automatically trade. I tried this in a demo mode, and I can say that it has some wins and lose, but you don't want to put your account in charge of a robot. And again, it says beta. So beta is it's a test. So they're testing it. I don't know if it will ever become fully where it can automatically trade with accuracy, but you can, when you're setting up on Telegram, how accurate you want this robot to trade for you. So that's another suggestion. But again, if you have money to risk, you can try it, but I wouldn't suggest it. Okay, so let's get to these charts right here. Now again, I have been trading with this platform for about maybe 9 months, and I have tried the live version transparently. I have won money and I have lost money. So again, it's all about proper risk management and, you know, understanding the market. These different patterns and stuff that you see here, like this line, again, this is the zigzag. The zigzag, the way it works, when this is under this line right here, when it's under the line, that means it's a sell. When it hits the low peak and it goes above, you see how the green is going up, it's showing that this is a buy. When it's going down, when it hits that peak, the top of that wick of that candle, and it hits that peak, it's a downtrend. So if you look at, this is the top of the chart. When you look at this stochastic, my stochastic is set up at 1433. I'll show you the indicators right here. Set up 1433 SMA. So you see how this green, that's the buy line. You see how this green is indicating an uptrend. This zigzag is showing you the same exact thing. It's showing you an uptrend, right? Once it hit that peak right here, you see when the green crosses the red, and you see how the red came over the stochastic. Now you notice that there's a downtrend, right? So you see the downtrend right here. It hits this peak right here. So you see right here, when you see this line right here that hovered, when I'm hovering over it. So when the zigzag hits that peak right there, you see it right here, then you see the line hits this thrust. It almost hit this thrust line, this black line. This is the resistance line, and this is the uptrend line. So this is the line right here, this white line up on the stochastic. It's going to let you know that this is the resistance. The trade is going to, it may go above it, but it won't go so far above that it won't come back down. So once this green is crossed over by the red, and you see an uptrend right here, but the green is still over the red, if you notice. So you see another uptrend. So right here, I'm looking at that, and right now there's going to be across, the green is still over the red. So stochastic and the zigzag are pretty much giving confirmation on what's going to happen with this chart and its candles, and with these candles. Now the William R is set at 14. What the William R shows me is that how the charts are moving as well. And if you look at it here, again, the line is showing me that this green is about to take a dip. Now the dip didn't happen strongly, it still stayed, and it kind of rode down just a peak, but then it rode straight across for a while, and then it went up. And now if you look at the way the candles are flowing, this is showing exactly the same way the candle is flowing. So you see how it's going straight, and it's kind of like flickering up and down, flickering up and down slowly. This William R is showing you exactly how the market is moving. And if you look at the zigzag are perfect. The lines are perfect. The William R is giving you motion with the chart. But like again, when you hover the arrow over it, this line is letting you know exactly where the points are at. See the line? It's showing you exactly where the points are at. Okay, so these are the indicators that I'm using right now. I use different indicators, but I've been just back testing different indicators to understand, what each indicator does. I don't know all the indicators and don't know all the settings. That's why I go online and do research on, what time frame should the candles be set on and how to set up the indicators according to the time frames. Like right now I'm using the candlesticks are set at 30 seconds right now, and the time and the purchase time for this particular thing is set at 1 minute. So I got it set for 1 minute, right? So I'm going to make a trade, whether win or lose. I want to show you. And again, when I was talking about when you trade, and y'all go here and you deal with the digital trading demo account, you see the indicators right here, the beginning of the trade and the ending of the trade, which is the flag, the finish line. Here it is. So let me show you. I can zoom in perfectly. Okay, here it is set up right here. That right there is they're both kind of close because I'm doing a 30-second trade. But if it was like, okay, if I change it to 1 minute, right? And it will make the chart come in a little more, but I'm going to do a 30-second trade because I've been back testing that for a little bit. It makes the chart moves a little quicker, and like again, if you're following your indicators, you would know exactly what to do. So looking at the zigzag has it has hit the peak, and if you notice right now the candles are riding over the resistance line. Again, the candles will not go above here, and these lines represent the candles that you see up here. The green represents the buy, the red represents the sell. So these are just letting you know what the charts are doing. And like again, if either one of these go over each other, it's definitely letting you know that's going to be a sell. So right now you see that the buy is over the sell. The sell is over the buy, so I'm going to go and make a sell, and we're just going to wait. Now if you see at the top right here, it says I'm in green, I'm in profit. The trade amount that I'm trading is $100, and the percentage of this trade again is $92. So right now I'm still in profit, and now I'm out of profit. So the line that you see right here, if you can see it closely, I can see if I can zoom in. Right here, that red line is where the trade is supposed to be, and by it being red, the candle supposed to go down. It's supposed to go under this red to actually get into profit. And right now it's under the red, so I'm in profit. If I was to hit the sell would be green, and the candles will have to go above. So right now, as you can see, I just cleared this, and I'm in profit of $192. So this is just illustration of how this platform works. I'll be doing more future videos. Again, I'm an independent trader. I'm not affiliated with anyone, not at this present moment, but who knows. But again, I just wanted to show you how you can make money with pocket option hyper forex trading. God bless.